Hello dear traders, you are watching the economy calendar prepared for you by InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the beginning of the coming week, the following macroeconomic statistics will be released. On Tuesday, the United Kingdom will reveal its inflation data for December. It is expected that prices have risen by 0.2% and 3% on monthly and yearly basis respectively. Let us remind that in November, annual inflation topped 3.1%, the highest level in almost 60 years. That's over the UK government's target and means that the Bank of England must report into the Chancellor of the Exchequer and explain the reasons. And the key reason is indeed increased input costs caused by the fall in sterling since the Brexit referendum. The Bank of England says it sees the need for further modest interest rate increases over the next few years to get inflation down to its target rate of 2%. On Wednesday, also, the Eurozone will publish its inflation statistics from December. The prices are expected to have risen by 0.4% on a monthly basis and by 1.4% in comparison with the previous year. In November, the annual rate of consumer price inflation in the 19 nations shared currency bloc was at 1.5%, and preliminary data for the final month of 2017 showed a drop to 1.4%. The core inflation index, which excludes volatile elements like food and energy, held at 1.1% in December versus expectations of a dip to 1%. Inflation in the Eurozone has been stubbornly low in recent months. There is no consensus between the region's officials over the imbalance between increasing economic growth and inflation undershooting the ECB's 2% target. While the US Federal Reserve is already 5 rate hikes into its tightening cycle, the ECB has yet to end its asset purchase stimulus program. Wednesday evening, the Bank of Canada will announce its interest rate decision for January. Market expect the rate to be raised to 1.25%. Last meeting of the bank ended with no change and the interest rate will held steady at 1% as it had been expected. The regulator said while high interest rates will likely be required over time, the central bank will continue to be cautious as it considers future moves. The central bank said that despite rising employment and participation rates, lack still remains in the labor market. The bank warned that the global outlook remains subject to considerable uncertainty, notably about geopolitical developments and trade policies. In addition to these events, the following reports will see the light of day early next week. On Tuesday, the UK will print a producer prices report and the US is to deliver the expired state manufacturing index. On Wednesday, the United States will report on industrial production. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. We wish you profitable deals and see you next week.